In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iCloud backup not working on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update. If you've encountered issues with your iPhone stopping its backup progress following the update, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps needed to resolve this problem effectively. Let's start by ensuring your iPhone is set up correctly to initiate a backup. First and foremost, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and plugged into a power source. These are two critical conditions that allow iCloud backups to function smoothly. Once you've ensured these are in place, let's move on. Now, head over to your iPhone settings. Tap on the icon labeled Settings, usually characterized by a gear symbol. Once you're in, you'll see your name at the top, which is your Apple ID menu. Tap on your name to proceed. This will lead you to the iCloud settings page. From here, find and select iCloud, then scroll down until you see iCloud Backup. Tap on this option to access backup settings. Here's a quick troubleshooting method you can try if the backup isn't starting. Turn off the iCloud backup by tapping the switch next to it. It's important to wait for about 10 seconds before turning this option back on, as this can often reset and kickstart the backup process. Once you've waited, go ahead and toggle the switch back on. Moving on, it's crucial to check the available storage in your iCloud account, as insufficient storage can hinder the backup process. While still in the iCloud settings, tap on Manage Storage. This option gives you a clear overview of how much storage is being utilized and what is available. If you find that your storage is full, this is likely the cause of your backup issues. To resolve a full storage issue, you have two options. You can either delete old backups to free up space, or you may choose to upgrade your iCloud storage plan by purchasing additional space. Deleting old backups generally involves selecting the backups you no longer need and confirming their removal. Finally, after making all these changes, it's always a good practice to restart your iPhone. Simply hold down the power button and slide to power off. Wait a moment, then turn your device back on. Restarting your iPhone can often resolve any lingering issues by refreshing the system's operations. With these steps completed, your iCloud backup should resume working as intended. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your iCloud backup back up and running.